I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you could show me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.
Okay guys, welcome to Malcapuya Island. This is a long white sand beach, and then this is a pine white sand beach. In 2017, not a lot of cottages, but right now, getting a lot of tourists. That's why he's putting a lot of cottage to accommodate a lot of tourists. Like cottages like this is 1,000 per head. If you have some tent, I think this is about 700 pesos only if you want to stay overnight within the island. And then also they offer the small boat. If you want to go snorkeling, you can hold on the small boat going to the snorkeling area. They have small like aquarium. There's a lot of fish, giant clam, and then also there's Nemo. The payment for the boat, they charge about 100 pesos each person.
Yeah, that's cheap.
To bring to the snorkeling area. Alright guys, let's go.
Here I am, falling down, crashing down. No! And I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't no good time when it's a darker scene. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. When we are fine, we see our sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't no good time when it's a darker scene. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.
That was so lit! Wanna do it again? What happened?
I was sending the fish to your face.
Wow, that was amazing.
Really good?
Yeah, great.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailor seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night. On the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila. Anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
Hi, we're going to buy coconut juice with Mr. Asim.
Look at the guy catching coconut with the basket in his hand.
Oh!
Nice! Again!
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Hey, Christian.
Look at the guy! Wow, no safety! Nice!
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。
Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.
What is your reaction when you saw Mukhasim?
Funny.
Funny.
the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailor seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night. On the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila. Anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
Okay guys, we're going back to the town. Ride by boat is about 1 to 1.5 hours going back to the town.
Tropical